welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia Deschaud, yeah. She came out for this person, and she has a lot of names to call her. She's saying that the person does not look right, and a lot of different stuff Marcia has to say. I'm thinking that, her corn was stepped on, or, basically she was bothered by this person, so she is throwing out the shades on this person. So go ahead, guys, and catch the video. See what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies who celebrate their birthday today, have a wonderful and a happy birthday. And may your day, your year, your month be as prosperous as ever. Have a wonderful day now.
Gretel, look how you look. You can't talk about nobody. Look how that the one, look how Gretel look like a orangutan in a blood clot drug. Escape from Guatemala. Look how she look. In a piece of red here. Look how you look. You can't drop no word for nobody and talk where you talk. Look how you look like a orangutan. You look just like the blood clot monkey them from Africa with a piece of red head. Look how you look. You look like a blood clot drag queen. Orangutan. Escape from Guatemala. Look how your friend look. Look how you dress up in for your birthday the other day. What you look like? How you look like? You know with a piece of tringy them. You look like a blood clot bullfrog. You know when Cinderella turned one bullfrog and then carrying go a New Orleans, go put some Mardi Gras bead around the neck. That's how you looking at. That's exactly you look. A blood clot bullfrog coming from Mardi Gras. That's how you look. So you look like a blood clot bullfrog coming from Mardi Gras, from New Orleans. And your blood clot friend was sit down there. Look like a them blood clot orangutan episode already. It's a name and a guan, son, a name and a guan, and a name and a guan, and a name and a guan. I go and go over YouTube and I'm going to start analyze your video. Because you're over there. And you did a drop. You drop your words them. I mean, no definitely say me I drop your word for. Me definitely know say me that some of them go for. Some of them go for the rest of bloggers them. Some of them go. And are you here? You hear how for name she highlighting it? You hear how for name she big up? She said she love the girl over there when name Chink. And she love the batty boy in the car. You don't see how she big up them two there. She big up them two there. She big up them two there. The girl, the Chink girl over there. And the boy in the car. Oh, she love them. You hear? You hear what she love? I mean, love when whatever. I mean, have you ever? Let me go buy and look up a piece of chicken. Me chicken with me hard working money buy. Me chicken with charity money no buy. Yes. This girl talk a whole heap of bag of things. And I'm saying to myself, is this blood clot girl delusional or she need to go down to Bellevue? Because she live near close to Bellevue, you know. She don't live far from Bellevue. I think you need to go to Bellevue because I don't know if you realize where the blood clot you chat. I wonder if the place then close. Because then close early night, a place I know. Oh, you know, close. Me wait a little bit. Hi.
It doesn't come with a biscuit. came here last time, I gave you biscuit, now I got 20 hours of biscuit.
No, I'm giving you a free biscuit for now, but you can send the receipt. This is your receipt.
You pick the chicken, it's $10 for you pick the chicken, no biscuit? Not bucket.
I'm sorry, here I can't do anything. Okay.
You got that, please.
Sorry.
What a weird chicken is.
You got the exactly.
Hold on. Hi, let me have a three-piece chicken with
Three-piece chicken?
yes, with fries. And the drink. The meal. Huh?
Is it a combo?
Yeah, the combo. Yeah.
You getting biscuit, mash and gravy?
Biscuit mash and gravy. Did I put biscuit mash and gravy? Biscuit mash and gravy. You have to select the box with the combo. It comes with biscuit mash and gravy and fries. That's what it comes with.
It comes with one biscuit and you can pick the sides like beans and rice, mash.
Yeah, beans and rice. Yes. Okay. Let me have beans and rice. Yes.
And you pick this classic one.
Yeah, chicken. Yes. I don't want any no wings and no legs.
What type is
Spicy and yeah.
very spicy?
And I want the piece that have the. I want. Where's the spicy one?
Here.
Okay, give me 2 original, 1 spicy.
It's $13.94.
How much?
$13.94.
Okay. It comes with drink also?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. No, I don't want no Coke. You don't have iced tea?
Go to order.
Where is the machine? I could choose what I want. Where is it? Okay. What does it come in?
I give you one mind breast, one mind thai, and one spicy thai.
Okay.
Is good?
Alright.
Okay.
And that's bean and rice. Okay.
Next to go, right?
Yes, to go. Somebody text. What are we on the road? Come over here. What are we on the road? Come over here fast. Where's your hot sauce? You have hot sauce?
You need
I
more?
take one of this.
No.
Okay.
This one.
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
Well, and the people, let me get some fruit punch. Me never know say. I never know say I saw the girl did over there and name like a hog from big national sin thing and just in and a go on and a chat shit. You can't see say you are so insecure. Eh? Me never know say I saw a girl over there talk a chat then me sin thing there. Then I make people when they not carry the news come tell me. I make could never tell me say the girl over there pan top of her head her go on say with the America we not even sell nothing. We not even make a $30 nor them the sort of something there. Eh? You never tell me. Eh? How you never can tell me. Say the girl up there drop out from me and other people we have honest business. When I sit down and collect blood clot money in a phone. Eh? Up until now we not still a collect money said we in a phone and sit down easy. Eh? And people in America I walk. Me never know so she did talk about one room. We each up in a one room. You know each up in a veranda every day. How to do? Eh? You know each up in a blood clot hot clothes. Eh? What make you not come a foreign? You know say you get through already. Oh you not reach a foreign yet. I never see somebody who eager to come America. So and not reach it. Then how you not reach it? Eh? Then if you not say get through, so how you not come here yet? How you still sit on a plan for Jamaica? Eh? How you still sit on a plan for Jamaica? Then how you not reach it yet? Eh? Me never know. See, I saw you over there going. About people a plan for KILLU. Then who could have want for KILLU? Eh? Make you so wicked, girl. Look how much time. Talk up, Curly. Look, anybody we are plan for KILL people. It would be me. It would be me them I do it because I am the one, the motor threat when me get on social media on a daily basis. You don't get them the threat there. Me never hear nobody a threaten if you hobby you and do nothing. Me never hear nobody a tell us if you gonna broke you this, that, neck, this so. Me are the only blogger when me here. Then who could I want it? Then you come on social media. You and this little damn, you look like any blood clot drag queen monkey. Eh? Eh? Look how you look like a orangutan. Eh? Drag queen orangutan escape from Guatemala. Eh? Look how your friend look. All of a sudden she come on social media. I run up her mouth. Me telling a long time say. A revelency girl a look. I come out, she want come out for come do black, for come chat, for sell things. For no sorry fear and say yes she have mouth. All of a sudden she say she acquired somebody. But all of a sudden she come out. Me tell you now, when them blood clots stagnant and nothing now go on for them business. After a little piece of hole broke something, then they sit down up in a piece of house and stressed out and now sell. The girl come out want to make a name for herself. Look how she a behave in the background. You can't cuss nobody, girl, where you come from. A blood clot get where you come from. How you come attack? Every one of us from Jamaica, we have a story to tell. Look on somebody like you. You cock up passing thing. I talk about people sit on on phone and now sell nothing from whatever, not even one sale. We depend on God. We don't depend on charity money. That's who we depend on. We don't depend on charity money. We depend on God. You same way did a collect said way. Still did you sit on phone and you say done charity. And your blood clot did still sit on a collect charity. What make you not leave it for the other charity people and for collect and do them job? How comes you still a collect said way? Look how you say you're a big public figure. Then me come for address you tonight. Then I who want to KILLU. Then what you have. You don't have your people in the mountain view where want to do that to you. Then me say no, sir. Me say no, kiss my ass. Me say no, sir. Me have to come talk about this when me hear the girl pan top of her chest, him and the other idiot one. Where your face puff up like a blowfish. Me couldn't believe it. The girl there pan top of her so I set people up here. And me them attack, you know. You know, say me them attack and you know the other bloggers them over the side. What then who would want to do that to you? The only person who get threat on social media where somebody want to do something to it is me and Tina Chin and probably Lorraine. Me have evidence of that, screenshot of that, threatening message when me get on a daily basis. Or be a working message on every day on my channel. How you come show me which part on your channel you ever get no threatening for you come talk about you want to report people. Which part where on your channels you know how much screenshot me have with threatening message a daily basis right just up on my program every night. You know how much Obi are working and all kind of something till me have to drive all the way to the FBI office in New Haven, 1 hour and minutes away for report it to the federal government to the feds. Which part you ever hear somebody talk about them want to do something? You tell attention. When me hear it, I couldn't believe it. And here are people. That's why me love watch the boy in the car. And the girl over there we talk about me and her and so. I call them off to cuss with me and the other rest of people them now, you know. Because she knows that those are the people them will talk about me every day. So she had the dog whistling. She make sure so she said that she a watch. Me say me well want to come a blood clot America, you see. Wait, oh you not reach her yet? Oh you not reach her yet? You know well we don't want to touch America. Oh you do not reach here yet. Next say what? And then she depend on my house, some of them up the stagnancy. That's why them up there and then now make no money. We are making money there, right? We will look better than you. Any 10 times, 1,000 times better than you. We have the charity money I spend. Same way. Same way, if you rich have money, if you have that much money, you would still be a cake said way. You still be a cake and a sell cake. That means you broke no ass. Because I tell me a long time, so the cake when you bake of the people own. And people will order from here before they take it and make house. So we don't know who you are fool. We don't know who you're fooling. You can't fool. You're fool. You can't fool the people. You still sit down and be a cake said way and I sell cake said way. Because you want the money for make car payment. And you taxi them when you buy. Because taxi now go on good. You understand? So nobody come on social media. Come go on like say you want style nobody. You can't style nobody, you're foreign. Because your money don't have no use if you your money don't have no use if you don't this are too tight. If you don't have it in a certain assets, you're done quick. And one thing with us up here as American citizens, we have our money put up.